Hello my dear students, today in this video we will do the asanas which are very good for our health and especially they are useful for removing the fat from your abdominal area. ये आपको मोटापा दूर करने में मदद करते हैं and they also makes your body flexible. So they are very useful asanas and so let us start. अब हम उसको start करते हैं. So I will make the my camera horizontal. So wait a minute. So now I am making the camera horizontal so you can see it better. Okay, now अभी हम इसको we will do them sitting or lying. So I have made my camera horizontal. So let us start the video. Now let us start the yoga session. Sorry. So see, first we will do the Uttan Padasana, then we will do the leg rotations, and after that we will do the cycling, then some more funny asanas, and they are very good for your health and removing the obesity. So let us start. Okay, right up on the back. First we will do the Uttan Padasana. You can do them with one leg also. You can do them with the one leg also, and you can do with the both leg also. So we are doing with both the legs. Now, if you are doing from one leg, first do from one leg, then do from other leg. So I am doing with the both the legs. First, raise your legs with 30 degree. The name of this asana is Uttan Padasana. Breathe inside, hold up, breathe inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring it down. This we are doing the Uttan Padasana. Now I will do it again. So this gives pressure in your abdomen area and it is also good for your back. So this is called a Uttan Padasana. So now it is very good for your digestion and it removes the obesity. Now we are doing it in 45 degree. Now we are doing the Uttan Padasana in 45 degree. Let us do Uttan Padasana in 45 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly breathing out, you come down. One more time in 45 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So slowly come down. So this was Uttan Padasana in 45 degree and now we will do Uttan Padasana of 90 degree. You can also do the Uttan Padasana of 60 degree. Now, but we are doing the Uttan Padasana of 90 degree. I will take my leg to the 90 degree angle. This Uttan Padasana of 90 degree is also known as Ardharasana. इसको अर्धरासन भी कहते हैं. Let us start. Now, breathe in. Hold the breath inside. Keep the breath in and remain in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now breathing out, slowly come down. Relax your body from one. If you want to relax, you can relax in savasana like this. Do the normal breathing. Whenever you think you want relaxation, come to savasana and relax for a while. After relaxing, start the asanas again. Now in savasana, there should be one foot between your legs, palms are toward the side, and they are near your body, and you have to relax your whole body from top to bottom, and you should keep your eyes closed. Now we are doing one more time. We are doing the Ardharasana. Children, if you like, you can take support from here. You can support. You can take the support from this side. So you will be doing Padasana of 90 degree, and it is also very good for our digestion. It is very powerful in removing the obesity. If you will do, you will see, you will realize that it is very powerful, and it is also good for your lower back. So now we have done the Uttan Padasana. Now we will done the leg rotations. अब हम leg rotation करेंगे. How we do it? See to first we will do with one leg, then we will do with the both the legs, and on the both the direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise. See, so how we do the leg rotation? Observe to me, and it is very easy. You can done it very easily. So let us come to the mat again. So how we do the leg rotation? You will take your leg up and rotate it in 360 degree. Make the complete circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from the other side. 1, complete circle. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this way you did the complete circle. Now when you do from one direction, you should also do from the other direction. Now doing from the other direction is also equally good. पहले हमने एक साइड से किया था, अब दूसरी साइड से करेंगे. तो when you have done with clockwise direction, you should also do with the anti-clockwise direction. So I am in this short time. So you should do it from both the directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now with the both the legs. अब हम both the legs से कैसे करते हैं? Take the support from here. Doing the again we are doing the same leg rotation with both the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is turning your stomach area, abdominal area, all of your stomach area is turned up, and it is helpful in removing the obesity. Now we will do it from the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One time do from the clockwise direction, and other time do from the anti-clockwise direction. So this way we do the leg rotation. पहले एक साइड को करते हैं क्लॉकवाइज में, फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में पाँव को घुमाते हैं, एक एक पाँव से करेंगे, फिर दोनों पाँव से करेंगे. सो इट इज़ वेरी पावरफुल फॉर बर्निंग द फैट फ्रॉम योर एब्डोमिनल एरिया, and it is very good for your stomach health, and it also brings the flexibility and strength to your middle part of your body. Okay, now we are doing the cycling. Now how we will do cycling? Observe me and you can do it. So this is cycling. See how we do the cycling. When the leg comes near to your body, breathe out. When the leg goes away, you can breathe in. This is cycling. You can do it 20 times, 30 times, 40 times. Then relax. After relaxing, you will do on opposite side, opposite direction. Now do the cycling in opposite direction. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do relaxation. You can do the savasana. Relax your body, relax your muscles of your back, lower back, relax your muscles of the abdominal area, and relax your body. Now after the relaxation in savasana, जब पेट के पास आपका पाँव आएगा तो विदाउट 6 within now 7 when your legs come near your abdomen you will without and when your legs go far you will within. So now we will do it in the opposite direction. Now we will change the direction now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is very powerful. This cycling is very powerful for removing the fat from your abdominal area. So you can take the benefit of this asana in removing the extra fat from your abdominal area. ये आपको ब्यूटीफुल बनाता है, आपकी डाइजेशन पावर को बढ़ाता है, हेल्थ को अच्छा करता है. So it is very excellent exercise. These are the excellent exercise for your abdominal areas. Now we will do the मरकटासन. अब हम मरकटासन करेंगे. मरकट means monkey. तो संस्कृत वर्ड है मरकट. So our Rishi Munis took this asana from the observing the monkeys. They took this asana. So we are going to do Markatasana. It is also very good for your abdominal area. It will increase your flexibility and it will give massage to every organ, every part of your abdominal area. So let us do it, Markatasana. Now spread your hands and fold your legs like this. Now head will go in one direction and legs will go in other direction. In the middle you will breathe. When you will move in the sides you will breathe out. Okay, I am starting. Breathe out. Legs are in one direction and head in other direction. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. So this way we do the Markatasana. So it is also very good. My hand is not visible, so I will go this way. Now breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we make the gap between the legs. Then keep the gap between the knees and legs. Now we do it again. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. So this was Markatasana. Now we can also do it one more time. Is there? Bring your legs up. Legs on one side and head will be on the other side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now hands down, legs down. So we can also do it with one leg. With one leg is like this. Breathe out. Breathe in. Change the leg. Breathe out. Breathe in. Change the leg. So these are the four variations. These were the four variations of Markatasana. So you have done this also. So we have learned some powerful exercises for our abdominal regions. So students, this yoga session is about to over. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Stay happy. And enjoy the day. Have a nice day. Bye bye from here. Bye bye.